all the analysis and the updates today and the trading ideas. We'll quickly wrap up the day, which has had some interesting action towards the end of the last half hour. Maybe you can attribute that to the weekly expiry on the sensex. But 60 points up on the Nifty is what we have. I think there are interesting statements from Ms. Madhvi Puri Butch on the Jane Street matter, which are at the bottom of your screen. So we'll get to that in a second. But overall, for the market, the Nifty finally managing a little bit of green. The leaders include names like Kotak Mahindra Bank, Eternal, which is up 2%, Asian Paints 2% higher, NTPC and BEL from the PSU space did well today. There's Grasim, Adani Ports, and some big names like L&T, SBI, HDFC Bank. These big boys also managed to push up on the higher side. The downside, the casualty of the day has been Titan after its first quarter update, 6% lower on that stock, and some cooling off in pharma names like Dr. Reddy's and Cipla as well. But the broader market, Nigel, I mean, from a cut of almost 0.5% on the index, the close at least is not that bad.
Well, that's right. A lot of stocks actually moving around. You had Belrise that was higher post that note coming in, Jeffrey's note. So that stock was high. Hariom Pipes, as we covered that, in fact, after underperforming to a large extent, that stock, in fact, has perked up post its quarterly update. So that one was higher. Lemon Tree Hotels as well did well. That was up closer around 6%. Motherson Wiring was up closer around 4%. So that stock, in fact, is higher. And Sadbhav Steel Tubes, that one was up closer around 15% in trade. A couple of losers, though, in trade today. BSC got slammed. Ola Electric is now down close to around 40 rupees or thereabouts. So massive downtick is what we're seeing out there. And towards the end of trade, you had stocks like JG Chemicals that have rallied 25% just in the last 1 month or so. That one, in fact, from trading in the red, it recovered close to around 7% from the low point of the day. So big up move on that particular name as well. Well, on that note, though, I think we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Stay with us. Markets Forward comes up next.